Okay, welcome all. Welcome to Financial Freedom. You're attending webinar on complete course on stock market. Today we are on day 10, and today we are going to learn about the reversal patterns, bearish reversal pattern. So when the price goes up, how do we sense that the price is likely to go down? That is with the help of bearish reversal patterns. So let's begin. Before we begin today's session, I would like to check with you all how many of you practiced over the weekend the bullish reversal pattern. Like I said, from this point onwards, whatever I teach, if you attend the class, do nothing, फिर कुछ भी नहीं होगा. Then पैसा भी नहीं कमाते आएगा. Right. So you have to go back after you attend the class. You have to go back. You have to practice. So how many of you have practiced the bullish reversal patterns? Yes. Oh, great. So, would you like to share your experience? Were you able to find some successful bullish reversal patterns, something like that? Would you like to unmute and speak about it, or you would like to type about it? मतलब and someone should share ना कि भाई लॉस मेकिंग थे, प्रॉफिट मेकिंग थे, कुछ लॉस थे, कुछ प्रॉफिट थे. एनीथिंग, नथिंग? ऐसे कैसे चलेगा?
Kotak Mahindra is the one case where I observed
हाँ.
some years.
Okay.
Last two candles, it was piercing pattern.
हाँ. No, what I mean to say is, were you able to see some at least 10 to 15, like whatever reversal pattern I said, whatever volume I said. So when you are matching all the conditions and you checked in history, some 10, 20 places where it was forming the V shape and meeting. Did you see uh, like where the winning trades were more than the losing trades? How was it? Like, that's what my question is. See, we have to practice, right? So whatever you learn, you have to go, and that's the best part of stock market, that you can always go and verify whatever I share. So
It is a piercing pattern, right?
huh?
Kotak Mahindra. Kotak,
Someone is
am I sharing
sharing.
my screen?
Yeah.
Are
Share,
you able
please.
to see my screen?
Yeah.
I think so. This is like a piercing pattern. It
Ah,
went all the way up,
uh, correct.
and then today we had a red candle.
Huh.
But this is definitely a piercing pattern, right?
No, then Friday you were there.
Yeah, I'm there. I'm there.
But here on that day itself, I showed that there is no volume in one of the candle, which is above the average. If you see the volume, just just go to setting, the right click, click on, no, go to setting, no, wait, close, hide, okay, hide Ichimoku, okay. Now go to settings, right click here, no, right click here, go to settings.
Where settings? Here?
No. You
No,
have to see, you are not able to see the volume because of the D and that whatever that thing is there,
Ah,
right? So you have
yeah,
to
yeah.
remove that D.
I don't know. It's coming default or what?
Okay, you remove this all three, uncheck them. This star also, this news wall also. Okay. See, like I told, since there is no volume in one, the volume in one of the two
Oh,
reversal
yeah.
candles should be higher, correct?
Correct.
And that on Friday, exactly this example I showed, that because there is the volume in one of those is not higher, it will find difficulty in going up.
Oh, that point I ignored.
Now you, that's why, okay, now you see the Bajaj Finance. See, I told about HDFC Bank also. Now you go to HDFC Bank, you can share, or I'll share, no problem. See, that day we discussed three things, right? One was Kotak Bank. So that's why we are sharing the secrets. No, this is those who are attending live will understand the secrets. So see, among these two, the volume is not higher, so the probability or the speed will be lower. Then we discussed. Second example was HDFC Bank. Then here, say again, the volume between two, yes, there was a volume, but it was not very significantly higher. This two, like it was a bullish engulfing, but this candle is higher, ठीक है. But then we saw Bajaj Finance. This was our third example, right? So इसमें जो है, this volume, I showed three examples. This volume, this is a bullish engulfing. This volume, see, we can, मतलब without any doubt, we can say कि भाई ये तो ज़्यादा है ही volume, correct?
Correct. Correct.
So the probability for Bajaj Finance to go up was more in three. So there is a reversal pattern forming in all three, but the जो क्या बोलते हैं उसको सीक्रेट है वो यहाँ छुपा हुआ है वॉल्यूम में, right? So that way I would request, like, when you are noting down all the points what I'm sharing, and then you see, and all things should match, then the probability of success will increase.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, Abhilasha ji, you would like to share something?
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Sir, IRFC has Morningstar at present. And GRSC.
नहीं, अभी तो है, पर पास्ट वेरीफाई करके जो मैंने मतलब ज्ञान की बातें कल कही थी, वो ज्ञान की बातें थी या सिर्फ बातें थी, वो पूछ रहा हूँ.
नहीं सर, हमने अभी ढूंढने की कोशिश करी थी कि अब
अच्छा.
किसी में आ रहा है तो अपॉर्चुनिटी है, तो वैसा ढूंढ रहे थे.
नहीं, बट एटलीस्ट जो मैं बताऊं वो तो चेक कर लिया कि ये मतलब कि ये ठीक ठाक बोल रहा है कि नहीं बोल रहा है, कि ऐसे ही टाइम पास हो रहा है हमारा. नहीं, मतलब ऑन अ सीरियस नोट फॉर एवरीवन, आई नो यू आर डूइंग फॉर क्वाइट सम टाइम, सो यू हैव दैट मच एक्सपीरियंस, बट स्पेशली फॉर बिगिनर्स, लाइक राइट, फॉर बिगिनर्स हु आर अटेंडिंग माय क्लास फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, और trying to learn the tips and tricks of the stock market for the first time. It will immensely help you if, see, you have learned how to use trading view. Now you have learned the language of chart. Now we are learning the language of chart. So if you are learning the language of chart, then you have to practice, right? If I'm going to France, and if I have to learn French language, then I have to speak French. करेक्ट, आई कैन नॉट, हाँ वीडियो देखा, हाँ बहुत बढ़िया, फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज इज बहुत वेरी नाइस, एंड देन आई गो ऑन स्ट्रीट बट आई स्टिल स्पीक इन इंग्लिश और मराठी और हिंदी, इट विल नॉट वर्क. सेम वे टेक्निकल एनालिसिस इज अ लैंग्वेज ऑफ चार्ट्स. सो यू आर लर्निंग दिस हियर कि हाँ ये क्या होता है, रिवर्सल पैटर्न क्या होता है, दैट इज अ लैंग्वेज विच चार्ट टॉक्स टू अस कि भाई क्या होने वाला है. But you have to practice that language. You have to go back in history. So how you should practice is simple. आप कोई भी चार्ट खोल लो, go back, scroll back. जहां पे भी you see this V shape, and you should be able to see some volume. Okay, then see, अच्छा ये volume average से ज्यादा है, क्या हुआ, ये pattern कौन सा है. Then again you scroll back. Okay, keep scrolling. Look at these V shapes here. ऐसा V shape देखने का पहले, उसके बाद नीचे क्या हुआ, V shape में दोनों में से कोई कैंडल में था क्या. So you will be able to verify. More you verify, more you will be able to identify when it actually occurs. Right? वो अभिलाषा जी, आप कौन सा बता रही थी अभी?
सर Morningstar I saw in IRFC.
IRFC. See, now see IRFC, she is able to see Morningstar. So let's check in all parameters, right? So ये है Morningstar में है, ठीक है. अभी इस पे वॉल्यूम इज देयर, बट हियर ये भी ठीक है वैसे, बट ये थोड़ा एबनॉर्मल सा कैंडल है. और दूसरा कौन सा बताया था आपने?
GRSC.
GRSC, SE ना? ओके.
Yes sir, E.
हाँ, ओके. हाँ, बट इसमें सी अगेन द वॉल्यूम इज नॉट देयर हियर,
Volume, yes sir.
है ना. वन ऑफ द थ्री, दिस इज गुड, अच्छा, उसमें दो तीन चीजें हैं। सी यू हैव टू अगेन यू हैव टू एंड एवरीवन हैज टू गिव अटेंशन टू फाइन पॉइंट्स, क्योंकि ये कैंडल जो है, हर कैंडल कुछ कहता है, राइट? एवरी कैंडल विल स्पीक टू अस। नाउ इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है? अगर मैं आपसे ही पूछूं कि इस कैंडल में, आई एम नॉट कन्विंस्ड विद दिस कैंडल, why I am not convinced with this candle? If you go only to this candle, what happened to the bulls and bear fight on that day?
Sellers were dominant, sir. Though the buyers tried to
है
take
ना?
a, but the
वो
sellers came
बुल्स ने
very
खींच के
hard.
ले आए नीचे,
Yes, yes, sir.
करेक्ट? अगर
Right.
हमको रिवर्सल देखना है तो हमको चाहिए कि हम बुल्स को जीतता हुआ देखें, करेक्ट?
Yes.
So we have to see them winning. So what ideally I want is something, a lower wick should be longer, where the bulls are pulling up the market. So I have to understand what this is speaking. See, it may succeed. I'm not saying it may succeed or may not succeed, but I don't know. So as a person, if I don't know, I want to play the most high probability game. तो उसमें फिर मुझे पूरा देखना पड़ेगा कि अच्छा ठीक है, ये आया है यहाँ पे, then I'll draw a horizontal line here. Then I'll check कि पीछे कोई support resistance है क्या? नहीं है, okay. If there is no reference, still okay. Let's say this is retracing back. It may, like Fibonacci will learn in future classes, this is a 32% retracement, it can go up. ठीक है, but still for retracement there has to be a reversal pattern. Is it forming reversal? यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे. So I need at least lower wick little longer, and the one of the volume has to be higher. So one by one, if I analyze, the probability of my being successful in trading increases. If I'm checking all things, doesn't mean that I will have 100% winning trades. No, my winning trades will be more, losing trades will be less. Okay.
Samir ji, can I share something? I mean,
Yeah,
I'm just sharing the screen.
हाँ,
I'm just observing Dixon.
हाँ,
This is 1 day, right? So sorry, change it 1 day.
one day. Okay.
Sorry.
Ah.
See, I mean, what I see, this is the lower wick is longer here.
Zoom in, zoom in.
Oh, sorry. This is like,
You can use you bring your mouse down little bit. See, if you come down, there is a plus and minus button there. No. Bring your mouse to the lower part of the center screen. This is
okay.
plus.
Okay.
Okay.
So if you see this here, I mean, there is a lower wick which is like
Correct.
longer here, and then it is trending up, and
Correct.
then the volume is there here compared to last maybe 4-5 days.
Correct.
While it is lesser than what it was here, but
No. Don't worry, don't go so far, because reversal pattern is valid for a few days. See, only thing is the reversal pattern, you take two candles ahead, right side. No, the red candle, last red candle.
This one, no?
Iske two next one, no. Arey sir, 1 minute, hold.
Sorry. Apologies.
You take your mouse towards the right side. है ना? Now from left, the 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See this volume or the next candle volume. So this candle and next candle form a harami pattern. Okay. Okay. So first is the fourth and fifth candle. Now keep on the fourth and fifth candle only right now. This is the fifth and next one is fourth, right?
Right.
Fourth one. This total is forming a harami pattern, but the challenge is none of them having a volume greater than preceding 5 to 6 days volume.
Okay.
So the strength may be not so strong. it may go till the previous high, or it may fizzle out and go further down. It may go higher also. I'm not saying it will not go, but right now, in such situations, we want to take a trade which has higher probability of success. So
Okay.
I'm giving you inputs for the higher probability only.
Okay. Okay.
Can you
Okay.
please repeat it, sir? Here, volume, or what was the issue, sir? Volume is not.
One of the reversal patterns. See this where his mouse is there, and the
Yes.
next candle.
Yes.
Can you move your mouse to the next candle?
Yeah.
See, these two are forming a harami pattern, harami reversal pattern.
Okay.
But these two candles, if you see the volume below,
It's very low.
one of the candles volume is higher than the previous 4 to 5 candles. Correct?
Okay. Okay.
No, sir, I'm not.
अरे आप बता दो वंशी जी, आप बता दो.
Okay. So, what I thought initially was ये जो
नहीं, what I explain you, please explain it.
Okay. So ये जो रेड दिख रहा है ना, ये एक्चुअली नीचे
Yes.
लॉन्ग विक है, तो मुझे लगा कि ये रिवर्सल पैटर्न हो रहा है,
Okay.
क्योंकि वॉल्यूम भी ज्यादा है
पैटर्न
यहाँ
है
पे.
सर, पैटर्न है.
बट ये जो बाकी नेक्स्ट 2 दिन का ये जो है 24 जुलाई, you see my mouse right,
Yes,
and
yes,
then here 25th July,
yes.
so the volume is pretty less here. That's what
नहीं
Samir ji was saying.
नहीं, let me share my screen. I'll share my screen.
Okay, I'll stop it.
Okay.
सर अपार इंडस्ट्रीज बता दीजिए, देन यू विल कम टू अंडरस्टैंड क्लियरली.
See,
Yes, sir.
see, this is the reversal pattern, this and this. So let me hide others, other candles. Let me hide. तो हमको इसकी जरूरत नहीं, हम रिवर्सल पैटर्न की बात कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. The price has come down. So
Yes.
downtrend है, एक बात फिक्स हो गई.
Yes.
This is a harami pattern which has formed. So we want a red candle and a green candle which is smaller. So harami pattern. This small candle, if it would have been here, much better. ठीक है, हम consider कर सकते हैं. तीसरा, we will draw a support. So I am taking step by step. Okay. Now here, do I have any previous historical precedence where it has gone up? No, it has got no historical data to support ki yaar is point se it has gone up. So I don't have any historical support. So I let it go, no problem. Then I say, okay, theek hai, par mere ko, how about the volume? I go zoom in. So one of these candles volume should be greater than the previous volume. So if I see volume for this is this much, it is not greater visibly also, right? I need not measure with scale and all, just visibly also I can see ki it is not greater than the previous 4 to 5 days volume, correct?
Yes, it's almost same, sir.
Almost same. अगर थोड़ा भी ज्यादा है तो भी मजा नहीं आया, मतलब दम होना चाहिए ना वॉल्यूम में भी.
Correct, sir.
करेक्ट. सो वो नहीं है तो ये नहीं है, तो आई वुड से ओके है रिवर्सल पैटर्न, बट वो लाइक इट हैज गॉट स्ट्रेंथ की कमी है.
Correct, sir. So you should
बोनवीटा
at least
पीने की
take,
जरूरत है, मतलब
हाँ, वो पिछले कैंडल से थोड़ा ऊपर रहेगा तो हमें थोड़ा
थोड़ा
कॉन्फिडेंस.
नहीं, काफी आना चाहिए. आप ये कौन हुआ, समवन वाज टेलिंग मी व्हिच.
गोपाल कृष्ण,
हाँ गोपाला जी, कौन सा स्टॉक बता रहे हैं आप?
अपार इंडस्ट्रीज.
अपार. सी, ये है, ये ऐसा वॉल्यूम होना चाहिए एकदम क्लियर कट, नो डाउट.
Okay, fine,
है ना,
sir.
like this is the like see, this is not a piercing pattern. अगर ये चालू होकर पूरा ऊपर तक जाता था तो और अच्छा होता था. But see, but if you want to see कि how the clear cut volume is there, like 1 2 3 4 5 and this volume, no doubt at all कि ज्यादा है कम है देखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, right? So my again, I'm repeating, but what I'll do is I'll upload Friday's webinar. Everyone is requested to go and watch it. एक point बिल्कुल, मतलब with all 20 years of experience एक point लिखा है. So don't miss out any point. And see that point, validate with that, and you will find more successful trades going forward. ठीक है,
Mazda calls us, sir.
अब आगे बढ़ते हैं सर. तो हो गया, मतलब everyone is very clear. They have to practice now again.
Done.
They have to go back to drawing board and practice. So go back and like wherever you find V shapes, go and check V shapes. What is the reversal pattern there, and what is the volume behavior there, right? If you find V shape with a tower, go and zoom in ki acha kya ho raha hai. If you see 20 samples like that, you'll not find samples very easily. See, it's not very easy to earn money in stock market. If it was so easy कि मैंने पढ़ाया Friday को and Monday you were able to print notes from stock market, it is not so easy. We have to, it's like fishing. We have to put the bait and wait for the fish to come. Right. So you are learning fishing here. So you need to learn patience also. Like for the fishing, we need patience. Vegetarians ke liye, I'll bring the example next time. So like it's like growing vegetables, right? You don't sow a seed and then suddenly tomorrow you get the vegetable. You sow the seed and then you will get the fruits of the seed after maybe sometimes after 5 years, sometime after 6 months. So it is like farming also, you can say. So you have to patiently wait for it. Acha example. Chaliye. Okay, so shall we start session for today? And here we go. Okay, now piercing pattern we discussed. Anurag, we discussed last Friday. I'll upload the video. You'll be able to find there. So it was there in Friday's session. I'll upload today. Tomorrow, pakka, by 11 o'clock, I'll upload both today and tomorrow session. Okay, so let's go ahead now. As a buyer, like as a beginner and as a buyer, what is so much significant about bearish reversal pattern? So as of now, unless until you are doing future and options, otherwise bearish reversal pattern will help you in determining. Sometimes you see the price going up very fast, right? And then you think, you wonder whether should I buy the share right now or not? Should I wait? Will it come down? What are the signs that, okay, this is likely to come down? Because mostly people do a mistake that they buy when it's time to come down. And when they buy, after that it comes down and then they get stuck. So understanding bearish reversal patterns will help you wait out that duration when it is reversing, coming down, and when it comes down to support, again bullish reversal forms, and then you can buy. So bearish reversal pattern is first is dark cloud cover. It is exactly opposite of piercing pattern. Bullish piercing pattern, uska twin brother jo hai wo hai dark cloud cover. In this, what happens is there is a uptrend. A green candle is formed, followed by a red candle. So now the red candle will be closed below, and then the candle will fall and it will close below the low of the green candle. So whatever you have learned for the piercing pattern, dark cloud cover is the twin brother in negative role. Okay, so all candlesticks pattern have yin and yang. So they have bullish pattern, exactly same will come in the reversal bearish pattern. It's a yin and yang. So like that it will happen. The rules are same. Now here is the secret. Now you will not get this secret anywhere in any book. So please pay attention. Don't miss this secret. There should be uptrend before the reversal pattern. Agreed? Agrees? Everyone agreed? Can I have yes if you are agreeing that okay, we understood that there should be a reversal. For river to reverse something, there has to be an uptrend. Second check is it should form, the reversal pattern should be near to the previous support or resistance level. There must be some resistance. So if the price is going up, it stops at the resistance. How I'll know this resistance? पहले कहीं वो resistance की तरह add किया होना चाहिए. Then this is the secret. Point number 3 is the secret. Please pay attention, and when I'm explaining, you understand, so you will be able to catch the reversal patterns very easily. Now, upper wick, we have lower wick and upper wick. So when the price is going up, how do you know that the strength of the price while going up is weakening? कि उसके पास ताकत नहीं बची अभी और ऊपर जाने के लिए. गया तो है जोश में 20-30% in 5 days, but will it continue for 30% more or will it reverse? That you can sense from the size of upper wick. You will find that the upper wick becomes bigger and bigger and bigger as the strength decreases, because bears are trying to pull it down. How we know that bears are trying to pull down? Because the upper wick becomes longer. So upper wick of reversal pattern candle or preceding candle, before the reversal candle, there should be a candle whose upper wick is longer, and volume of that candle with a long upper wick should be also relatively higher. Then if a reversal pattern forms, then there is a likelihood that it is likely to go down to the previous support level. This is the secret. And again, listen to what chart is telling you. Don't impose your wishes on the chart. So let's see the practicals here. Now, if you see, I have put some good examples here. Biocon, let's see. Okay, now you can see my chart here.
Yes,
Can
sir.
see the chart? Okay. Now the price has gone up. There was an uptrend. So it has gone up from here. It has gone up till here. And it has formed a, it is not a piercing pattern, but bullish engulfing kya tha? Red candle engulfed by green candle. This is its
Bearish engulfing.
twin brother, bearish engulfing, where the green candle is, body of green candle is engulfed by the red candle. ठीक है साहब, bearish engulfing हो गया है. अभी इसी लेवल पे, so second step is, has it occurred at the same level where it has found earlier the price found difficulty to go ahead? Yes. यहाँ पे थोड़ा रेजिस्टेंस मिला था, दूसरा कंडीशन हो गया. तीसरा कंडीशन ये है कि रिवर्सल पैटर्न का ही कैंडल और प्रीवियस कैंडल का विक, अपर विक लॉन्ग है क्या? तो यहाँ तो रिवर्सल कैंडल wick itself is very long, upper wick is itself is very long. Correct? Agreed? Everyone is able to see this? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Others? Sujay ji is paying attention. How about others?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So upper wick is long means bear are trying to pull down the price. Volume is also good. मतलब bear थोड़ा जोर भी लगा रहे हैं. And then it is engulfing. So there is a possibility that it may come down, may or may not come down. So if I am planning to buy Biocon share, what I will do is कि bearish pattern बन गया है. I will not touch it right now. It may give me opportunity that it will come till here. This is the support level. I can patiently wait for it to come down from here 361 to 330. Let it form a reversal pattern, bullish reversal pattern, then I will buy. Abhi क्यों जल्दी करना? Correct. So I'll wait for it to come to here, or maybe it might come till here also. उसमें क्या दिक्कत है? This is the next support level. No problem. So I'll wait patiently to come here, form a reversal pattern, or I can wait for it to come here patiently and then form the reversal pattern and then go up. So by learning the bearish reversal pattern, what is the use? Why I should learn bearish reversal pattern? So that I know, okay, अभी खरीदना है कि नहीं खरीदना है. अभी नहीं खरीदना है. Let me wait patiently कि क्या हो रहा है. If it comes here, then I'll buy. Everyone clear how to use bearish pattern? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So Now, if you see the next example which I have kept is SBIN. SBIN, see today it has formed a long wick. Abhi reversal pattern nahi bana hai. It has only given a long wick. Now, when you see a long upper wick and utna acha nahi hai volume, but you have to see if there is a long wick and the volume is also decent, this gives you warning. थोड़ा weakness है, मतलब up move में weakness है. So you have to be cautious. You don't go full on buying. If you're buying, then be cautious. थोड़ा segregate, you divide your investment into different parts, and then invest in parts. Like don't go full on investment. Now, one more example I wanted to show you here is Pradeep ji is asking, does bearish pattern indicate time to sell? The answer is yes, and answer is no. Why yes? Because if you are a short-term player and you have bought for a short-term duration only, you should exit. But if you're a long-term player and you want to add more, then you have to use it. So it's only language we are speaking, right? How to speak that, use that language, that you can decide later on that way. ठीक है प्रदीप जी, ओके. शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए यस यू कैन सेल, लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए यू कैन प्लान योर बाइंग और मूविंग योर स्टॉप लॉसेस लाइक दैट. सो इट्स लाइक दैट. सेकंड बियरिश रिवर्सल पैटर्न में ये है कि सी अगेन आई सेड, अगेन आई मोर देन पैटर्न आई एम एम्फसाइजिंग ऑन द अपर विक्स. See, if you find anywhere, if you find so many people, so many candle having long upper wick, and the volume, even if the volume is not very solid, ki bahut solid high nahi hai, but lot of 4 to 5 candles are also having upper wicks, longer upper wick. Why I am saying relatively? अब आप सोच रहे होंगे यार ये relativity क्या बात है, मतलब इसमें ऐसा क्या है relative इसमें? So just हाँ, see, I'll tell you what I mean by relativity. Okay. Now, see, when you are coming here, see this wick size here. When it is starting from here, see the wick size here. Wick size, upper wick size here, upper wick size here. This is longer, but then this is small, this is small, this is small. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When the price is at bottom, upper wicks are low, smaller. Here, the lower wicks, if it has to go up, the lower wicks will start becoming longer. It is showing bullish strength. Same way when it is going up, now this upper wicks are longer. How many of you can now are clear what I mean relatively longer? The upper wicks are relatively longer. Can I have yes? Clear? जब ऊपर के विक्स रिलेटिवली लॉन्गर होने लगते हैं, इसका मतलब यह है कि प्राइस को ऊपर जाने में दिक्कत हो रही है. द बियर आर पुलिंग इट डाउन, हेंस दिस लॉन्गर विक्स आर फॉर्मिंग एंड वी हैव टू बी कॉशियस about it. So that's what happened. The lot of longer wicks, long wicks started forming here and eventually it went down. कहां तक जाएगा? Previous support पे जाएगा.
Sir, SBI, there's an inside candle, right, sir? Last now.
हाँ, correct.
So inside candle, either it can go up or it can come down also.
Which is inside candle? This one, na?
The last candle, I think. No, I think today's candle is inside candle, right, sir?
नहीं, ये तो I am telling about the previous historically.
Okay, fine. Sir.
This is not today's example. Same is here. If you see as it went here, wicks are smaller, upper wicks are smaller, it went up. Suddenly you will see the upper wicks start becoming longer. Once you started, be cautious. Okay, so this is one example. This is another Biocon. Biocon, see, this is again Bullish engulfing pattern here is there. This is bullish engulfing. This candle is engulfed by this red candle. Bullish engulfing. This is the piercing pattern. This candle, it is done by this. So I'll show you the pictures. You take the snapshot of pictures, and I would request you to go back and practice and see whether you are able to find. Next session, Wednesday, we'll keep clarification for all the candlesticks. So we have studied independent individual candlesticks, what they speak to us. We have studied bullish reversals. We have studied bearish reversals. So my suggestion would be to do the practice for all three, and Wednesday we'll keep a question answer session for all three. So I'll show the patterns also so that you are able to practice on that. So this is bullish engulfing. You have a small green candle and a red engulfing candle here. Then this is the Harami pattern. There is an uptrend. You have big red candle. The green candle is smaller. So bullish and bearish all are like mirror images to each other. वो bottom में बनते हैं, ये top पे बनता है. This is evening star. The price going up. This is the candle. Smaller candle. Now here the upper wick should be longer because we want the bear to be pulling it down. If it is a morning star, then the lower wick will be longer, so that we want the bulls to pull it up. So it will go like down like. Fine. So everyone clear what are the bearish reversal patterns and how we have to look at uska secret क्या है, secret recipe क्या है उसके success का. Yes. Okay. Great. So any questions for today session today?
Samir, a question regarding the morning star. When you have 3 stars over there, and you are evaluating the total the bottom the graph, which was the
ये वाला है picture सामने.
Yeah, no, the
this one,
not the wick one, the one at the bottom, the total volume. Are you supposed to consider the volume of the very right wick being the highest?
One of the three. One of the three is good enough.
But it should be in an uptrend.
नहीं, ये तो डाउन ट्रेंड पे बनेगा ना अपना. ये डाउन ट्रेंड है और फाइनली मॉर्निंग स्टार. यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इवनिंग स्टार और मॉर्निंग स्टार.
Morning star.
This is so bullish reversal pattern, right?
Right.
Okay, so this will come at the end of the trend. So there is a price going down. In the last of the price going down, these 3 candles will form. So sort of V shape. Correct?
Right.
Abhi one of the volume of one of these 3 has to be higher, relatively higher than the others.
So any one of these 3.
Any one of these. In any one of these. आइडियली अगर आपको बिल्कुल प्रिसाइज पूछना है कि नहीं मुझे एक्यूरेटली बताओ कि इन तीनों में से कौन सा सबसे अच्छा रहेगा. सी एक तो यह है कि तीनों में से एक का किसी का बहुत बढ़िया रहे तो बहुत बढ़िया है. अदरवाइज यूल से नहीं मुझे पक्का बताओ, एक का बता दो बस. तो आई वुड से दिस वन.
ओके.
द सेंटर वन, बट द विक शुड बी लॉन्गर. This is the most ideal if you have a long lower wick and the volume is relatively high. Then a solid reversal pattern. But otherwise, if out of 3, if you find anyone is having higher volume, that is also good enough.
Sir, do you mean to say it's a hammer?
Yes, it is a hammer. It is hammering out the bears. No?
We can consider it as a hanging man also.
See, hanging man, what happens is because it is forming at the end of the. Yeah, hanging man also. Yeah, they call it hanging man also. But hanging man, hanging man is defined, I think, when it is forming at the uptrend.
So the evening star is the bearish pattern, right?
No, you are right. Gauriji, you are right. Absolutely.
Okay. And morning star is for bullish.
For bullish, yes.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
ये hammer itself is called, I think, hanging man, but I think it comes at the end of the bullish pattern, bullish trend पे वैसा है.
So, and
Okay.
the evening star would be red in color, right? It will be red or green.
नहीं, I have put a gray only. See, this is the evening
So,
star. ये
हाँ.
gray है. It can be red, green.
Anything. Okay.
हाँ, but the main जो हमको fine
Wick,
tune
wick.
करना है wick long upper.
हाँ.
It
Okay.
can be green, it can be red, no problem.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So any other question?
Sir, Biocon we should hold or how's it, sir?
See, again, so when you ask this question, then allow me to ask 5 questions to you.
Yeah, tell me.
Can you show a few examples,
No,
one
wait,
or two examples?
Sujay ji, I said whether I should hold or not. Then I'm assuming you have bought it, right?
Yes, I got it, sir.
Anna, so my first question is, why did you buy it?
Because that weekly chart we have seen this one, sir, triangle pattern.
So
The target is 400 actually.
So what is happening right now? Okay, Biocon. Okay, Biocon. Target is
400.
so you know the target, right?
Yes, sir.
फिर क्या घबराना है?
Okay, fine, sir.
No, what happens? I'll tell you. I don't want to confuse you, but my request is, my philosophy is, when you are entering,
Yes, sir.
okay, you should be clear why I am entering, why I am buying it, what is my stop loss, and all like that. Okay, it may happen that it may come here and again go up, right? So that we should be like, it's I'll not say part of the game, it should be part of our plan.
Yes, sir.
कि whether I'll exit if it comes here. ये आपके ओरिजिनल प्लान में था क्या?
नहीं सर.
नहीं था तो फिर कंसीडर मत करो ना.
नहीं सर, ओरिजिनल प्लान में अगर नहीं था तो I did not understand, sir.
No. See, whether if, let's say, if it starts coming here and let's say you did not attend this session today.
Okay, fine, sir.
Let's assume you are not attended the session today.
Okay.
It starts coming here and it comes till here. When you purchase the stock, did you plan that what to do when it comes here?
No, I did not plan, sir. I thought it will just give a breakout and it will go up.
And it will keep on going up. Okay.
Correct.
So there can be another thought where you feel that you have got some profits. So sell it off and then once it comes down, because you can see the
technically,
engulfing.
see, I also agree with you that, okay, there is a target still 400 at least. So I don't know, it might come here, it might bounce from here. So I would definitely be not worried till it is at least coming here. What it does here, I would be taking a call.
Fine, sir.
So, more than that we cannot predict. Like Gauriji is saying, okay, if you are worried कि यार क्या हो सकता है, because earnings is also here, normally it will not turn around unless until it is getting worried about this thing. So like Gauriji is saying, you can book some profit, something you can leave it for 400. Something like that. But so normally it is preferable to wait for it to close, at least to take a call, wait for it to close below this level, below the low of the pair. If it closes below, then take a call. It may so happen that ये भी हो सकता है, मतलब it's not necessary कि ये success होगा ही. If you want to take a call, wait for tomorrow. What happens tomorrow, based on that you can see.
Fine, sir.
Fine. Okay. So great.
Hello,
so,
एक और डाउट था सर.
हाँ
सर मैं पूछ रहा था कि एक्चुअली मैं करेक्ट करना चाहता हूँ, मतलब अगर बुलिश रिवर्सल पैटर्न होगा तो हमें देखना है कि जो रिवर्सल पैटर्न है उसका ऊपर वाला वीक बड़ा होना चाहिए, उसके बाद
नहीं बुलिश रिवर्सल पैटर्न में कौन सा वीक बड़ा होना चाहिए?
ऊपर वाला।
क्यों?
इसका मतलब बुल लोगों ने उनको नीचे खींच लिया है।
अगर बुल उसको नीचे खींच रहा है, मार्केट ऊपर कौन ले जाता है?
बुल।
हाँ, तो
बियर
अगर
उसको
बुल ही
नीचे
उसको नीचे खींच रहा है तो मार्केट कैसे
नहीं
ऊपर
नहीं, सॉरी
जाएगा?
सॉरी, बियर उसको नीचे खींच रहे हैं, इसका मतलब
हाँ, तो बियर नीचे खींच रहा है तो मार्केट कहाँ जाएगा?
नीचे जाएगा सर।
हाँ, तो अगर ऊपर का विक लंबा है, इसका मतलब कौन खींच रहा है उसको?
बियर खींच रहे हैं सर।
बियर खींच रहा है तो मार्केट ऊपर कैसे जाएगा?
नीचे नीचे ही जाएगा। तो मैं बोल रहा था कि यहाँ पर जो जैसे कि आपने बताया कि मॉर्निंग स्टार में वो सिर्फ एक कैंडल है, वो जो एक दो तीन तीन कैंडल थे, उन तीनों
हाँ,
कैंडल का वॉल्यूम देखना है, उसके रिस्पेक्ट में
किसी भी
डिसीजन।
एक का देख लीजिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है उसमें।
यहाँ पे भी वही करना है या फिर सिर्फ वही एक ही कैंडल को पकड़ना
यहाँ पे भी तीनों में से एक देख लीजिए, वॉल्यूम हायर होना चाहिए।
है? अच्छा ठीक है। अगर
ये
मतलब
देखो ना
मेरे
आप, कितना
साथ
ये कितना बढ़िया एग्जांपल है इसमें। देखो आप, ये विक कितनी लंबी है नीचे इसकी,
यस सर,
करेक्ट? ये
यस सर,
है ना, तो ये कितना क्लियर है कि बुल्स ने पूरा खींचा है इसको।
पूरा खींच रहे हैं।
दिन
यस सर,
दिन भर में 9 o'clock पे खुला होगा, ये पूरा इतना नीचे गया प्राइस, और फिर बुल्स ने कहा नहीं बॉस, इसको नीचे नहीं जाने देंगे, उसको खींच के लेके आया ऊपर वो।
यस सर। और
बस
वॉल्यूम
यही
ज्यादा है,
ये
इसका
एग्जांपल
मतलब
याद
बहुत
रखिए
सारे
आप।
लोग भी आए। जैसे कि
हाँ,
आपने लास्ट क्लास में बताया था कि मैं खुद क्यों जाऊँ, मेरे साथ मतलब।
हाँ, हाँ,
और बहुत
और
बहुत
भी
सारे
लोग
लोग
डूबे, मतलब हम तो डूबेंगे सनम, आपको भी ले डूबेंगे, उस टाइप से है ना। तो और
हैं।
वॉल्यूम रहता है तो वो रहता है कि हम अकेले क्यों डूबे, आपको भी लेके डूबेंगे, उस टाइप से। तो वॉल्यूम रहता है तो सहारा रहता है कि काफी लोग डूबेंगे हमारे साथ, तो हम भी लगा देते हैं पैसा।
यस सर, यस सर, थैंक यू सर।
Samir ji, for bullish and if you consider for bearish,
हाँ,
sell and purchase का volume नहीं देखना है. It is just one volume,
वॉल्यूम, या
just a one.
जस्ट द वॉल्यूम।
Okay.
So tomorrow there is a high chance of SBI coming down because the upper week is longer.
The upper wick indicates the strength of going
The
up
bears.
is reducing.
Okay.
Then subsequently, if the reversal pattern forms, then we will come to a conclusion. For see here also the upper wick formed, right? यहाँ पे भी बना है,
Yeah.
correct? It did
Yeah.
not come drastically down. थोड़ा वो हल्का फुल्का आया फिर ऊपर गया. So upper wick starts telling us, talking to us कि बॉस थोड़ा weak हो रहा है, ऊपर जाने का थोड़ा weakness is developing. So be cautious.
Yeah.
Right? Don't put some money. If you are putting, let's say 1 lakh rupees, don't put full 1 lakh, maybe put 20,000, test the waters for a few days. If it is going up, then again put 20,000, like that. Many times what happens is we have 1 lakh rupees and then we deploy full 1 lakh rupees. But the upper wick was telling was you should be cautious. So if it is upper wick, let's say tomorrow if someone wants to invest in SBI, should he invest full 1 lakh? I would say nahi, upper wick form हुआ है, ये है. बी कॉशियस, लगाओ, मना नहीं कर रहा हूं कि मत लगाओ, आपका एनालिसिस है, लॉन्ग टर्म एनालिसिस है, 20,000 लगाओ, सी इफ इट इज गोइंग डाउन और अप. If it goes up, then put little more. If it comes down, wait patiently till it comes to a support level, forms a reversal pattern, then put again some more money, like that.
Right.
Right. Okay, great. So thank you so much for joining today. Interesting session. Again, for repeating the same thing again, please practice, 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 so that you'll be able to earn money and lots of money. So thank you so much. Thanks a lot for joining today's session. I'll upload it by tomorrow 11 o'clock, both the sessions. Please watch. And Wednesday will be a question answer session for 3 days. So whatever are your doubts, observation, please ask on Wednesday. We'll clarify that. Thank you so much.